2015 was a strong year for M&A, but what will 2016 hold? To discuss the year ahead, I'm joined today by Herbert Smith Freehill's partner, Tony Damian. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
What is the outlook for M&A in 2016?
Well, the outlook for M&A in 2016 consists of deals, and more deals. It might be raining outside today, but in 2016 it will be raining M&A deals. There is going to be a lot of activity, both in terms of the volume of deals and the value of deals. A couple of things driving that. The main one is confidence. Boardrooms now have the confidence to go after the targets that they've been thinking about pursuing. And not only do we see that confidence in one or two sectors, we're seeing it across the board. And you throw all of those things together, and I think that 2016 will have a very high level of M&A activity.
What are the key trends that you expect will shape M&A in 2016?
I think we'll see a lot of big deals. And so not only a large volume of deals, but some at the very top end. In 2015, we had deals like Japan Post Toll Holdings, we had the Asiano scenario, and we had approaches to companies like Santos and Oil Search. Each one of those a very big deal. But I think when we look back at the end of 2016, we'll say one of the trends was the confidence that I mentioned earlier, seeing boards prepared to go for the very big deals, and we'll see quite a few of them. The other thing that I think we'll look back on is we will say that 2016 was the year where we saw a very, very significant deployment of foreign capital. There are vast pools of capital just waiting to invest in Australia. The depreciation of the currency will help as well, and I think when we look back, they'll be the two trends that we'll look on as the significant ones.
How will M&A in 2016 differ from what we experienced in 2015?
It's a very good question, and it is always difficult to gaze into one's crystal ball, but I did that earlier, and when I did that, it said there were two things again that were going to be important. The first was that this confidence, this high level of deal volumes, we'll see a large number of contests for control. And so you'll have a lot of M&A scenarios where it won't just be one bidder pursuing a target, you'll have multiple bidders. And you'll see those contests driving activity and people being prepared to wade into contested situations. The other thing that I think we will see that will distinguish 2016 from other years is you'll really see shareholders taking centre stage. And so shareholders will no longer be in the background in M&A scenarios, but they'll be absolute participants. They'll be driving outcomes. They'll be the ones picking up the phone to bidders and saying, this is what you need to do if you want this takeover to succeed. And I think that'll be something that we'll see, and a way that we'll see it in 2016 that will really distinguish that as a feature of our M&A market.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.